Hey everyone, welcome back to the Go Skills Challenge. We've got an interesting scenario for you, and our Excel expert Claudia Buckley has all the details for you to solve this challenge.
This is our 20th GoSkills Excel Challenge. This month we'll be testing a skill you will absolutely need in Excel, but some people find it a little tricky, and that's working with dates. Let's take a look at this spreadsheet. In this company, employees have been told that operations will come to an end on October 1st. Those who have 10 or more years of service at the company on September 30th will be considered vested for the company's pension benefit. It basically means they'll be getting extra. So anyway, what we want to do is to identify who those people are, sort the list by their job titles so that associates are first on the list, followed by team leads, then the senior managers. And when that's done, we want to only display the rows of the employees who are vested. We recently published a video and an article explaining a little bit about Excel dates, so you can check those out to decide which function you'll use to calculate the number of years of service. These tasks are fairly simple once you know the efficient ways to handle them, but they can be a bit frustrating if you don't. I'm curious to see what functions and techniques you use to work through this challenge. See you next week.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.